Hello, I'm James Preston and welcome to the Morning Outlook exclusive to Kalkine TV, providing you with all the information you'll need for a successful day of trading. The Australian share market is expected to start the week on a muted note, following an inflation-sparked rout in global equities. Additionally, a fall in iron ore prices amid concerns of fresh COVID-19 outbreaks in China could further dent sentiment. According to the latest SPI futures, the ASX 200 is poised to open a massive 296 points, or 4.3% lower on Tuesday. Last Friday, the benchmark index fell by 1.25% to 6,932 points. The global stock market slipped on Monday's sky-high inflation readings from the US, which triggered worries about even more aggressive policy tightening in a big week for central banks. On Wall Street, the Dow Jones fell by 2.8%, the S&P 500 dipped by 3.9%, and the nasdaq ended 4.7% lower. Monday's sell-off pushed the US S&P 500 index, which has dropped over 20% since a recent record close, into a bear market. In Europe, the Stoxx 50 fell by 2.7%, the FTSE dipped by 1.5%, the CAC dropped 2.7%, and the German DAX ended 2.4% lower. An index of world stocks also dropped by 3.7%. Asian markets struggled as well. China's Shanghai Composite fell by 0.89%, Hong Kong's Hang Seng suffered a 3.39% slide, and Japan's Nikkei fell by 3.01%. Time now for a very quick break before we take a look at the Aussie dollar, oil, gold, and the world of crypto.
Hi there, James Preston for Kalkine TV. Are you into gaming and virtual reality? Does AI and the endless possibilities it entails capture your interest? Or are you constantly trawling through the web to try and discover the latest updates and innovations in the tech space? Well, let us do the work for you. From the latest product launches to shocking affairs on the World Wide Web, exclusive interviews and information about the top companies like Apple and Google to brand new tech startups vying for your attention. Kalkine's Tech Beat has the latest in what matters in the world of technology. Join me every single Thursday on the Tech Beat, exclusive to Kalkine TV.
Welcome back to the Morning Outlook, where we give you all the information you'll need for a successful day of trading. The Aussie dollar has slid quite a bit over the past week. On June 7, it was trading at more than 72 cents, but has since slipped to approximately 69 US cents at the time of writing. Oil prices rose on Monday in a session of volatile trade as tight global supplies outweighed worries that demand would be pressured by a flare-up in COVID-19 cases in Beijing and more interest rate hikes. Brent crude rose 26 cents to settle at $122.27 a barrel, and WTI crude rose by 26 cents to settle at $120.93 a barrel. Safe haven gold, however, has seen a significant fall. Gold and also palladium suffered sharp declines on Monday as the dollar rallied on bets for steep interest rate hikes by the Fed, eroding appeal for bullion and other precious metals. Gold futures shed 2.4% to trade at $1,829.80. And lastly, the crypto market has suffered an extremely devastating 24-hour period, falling by 14.43% to be valued at just $937.38 billion. Flagship cryptocurrency Bitcoin in particular has been demolished. Over the past week, it's dropped more than 28% in price, and over the past 24 hours, it's fallen nearly 18% to trade at just above $22,000. Well, that's all for this edition of the Morning Outlook. Have a great day trading and make sure to keep it locked here on Kalkine TV for the latest market insights and business news. I'm James Preston, reporting for Kalkine.